Welcome, welcome, welcome to Monster's house. This is a house.
So beautiful.
The house is bright. This is a hall. The hall is nice. This is a living room. The living room is cozy. This is a kitchen. The kitchen is perfect. Wow! This is a dining room. The dining room is spacious. Oh, I like it. This is a bedroom. The bedroom is cute. Oh, wanna sleep. This is a bathroom. The bathroom is clean. This is a laundry. The laundry is crazy. This is a garage. The garage is modern. This is a study. The study is beautiful. This is a playroom. The playroom is tidy. This is an attic. The attic isn't spooky. I'm waiting for your visit. Bye. And I hope you liked my house.